Definite and indefinite articles. What is an article? In English, we use words like the or a or an before nouns. These are called articles. Spanish uses articles too, but they must match the gender and the number of the noun. Let's look at how we say the word the in Spanish. In English, we use the same word, the, for everything. The car, the house, the cars, the houses. It never changes. But in Spanish, the word the changes depending on two things: the gender of the noun, masculine or feminine, and whether the noun is singular or plural. Now take a look at the diagram. At the top, we have the English word the. It splits into two sides. On the left, we have masculine nouns. For masculine singular nouns, we use el. For masculine plural nouns, we use los. For example, el carro, the car. Los carros, the cars. On the right, we have feminine nouns. For feminine singular nouns, we use la. For feminine plural nouns, we use las. For example, la casa, the house. Las casas, the houses. So just remember, use el and los with masculine nouns. Use la and las with feminine nouns, and always match singular or plural. Now that we've learned how to say the in Spanish, let's talk about how to say a, an, and some. These are called indefinite articles. In English, we say a car, a house, some cars, some houses. Just like with definite articles, in Spanish, the word changes depending on the gender, masculine or feminine, and the number, singular and plural. Let's look at the diagram. At the top, we see a, an, and some in English. These split into two sides again. On the left, we have masculine nouns. For one masculine object, we use un. For example, un carro, a car. For more than one, we use unos. For example, unos carros, some cars. On the right, we have the feminine nouns. For one feminine object, we use una. For example, una casa, a house. For more than one, we use unas. For example, unas casas, some houses. So just like before, use un and unos with masculine nouns. Use una and unas with feminine nouns, and always match singular or plural. Well done! You've just completed the lesson on definite and indefinite articles. Now you know how to say the, a, an, and some, and how they change depending on whether the noun is masculine or feminine, singular or plural. So just to quickly review, use el and los for masculine definite articles, la and las for feminine definite articles. Use un and unos for masculine indefinite articles. Use una and unas for feminine indefinite articles. It might seem like a lot now, but with a little practice, this will become second nature. Keep going. You're building a strong foundation. See you in the next video.